So this is a review of a recon because I call it a name because it's mixed up with these two because these are from the recons. And first you have to get this in there, then put this right there, and this one's hard. So if you're 6 or 5 or 4, you have to do this. You have to hold these, and you have to get it like this. Dang it. Okay, then you're ready to go. You can actually aim it. You can pretend this is an aimer, but it's really a flashlight, so you can do this. It's kind of fun, but you can do this. Hold on. So you have to pull this, then you push this green button, take this out. I know. It looks like the Recon when you push it out and press the button and get it out. But this is a lot different. So you can open this and you can see the bullet in here. And you can shoot it. Then you can actually aim. Then pretend you were playing zombie games. Then you can bring guns. And one time I got with Jack, and guess what? I beat him. Not that one in my class, or even not that other Jack.
Which Jack? Your cousin?
Yeah, that one in Las Vegas.
Mm-hmm.
And he's a grown man, so he's still in school. It's a long school, you know. He has lots of big guns. He has the machine gun. So he almost killed me, but I just did. I just killed him with one shot. That was awesome. That was the best Nerf war ever. And goodbye. Blah, 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 blah.